What's so powerful about social media is that, firstly, there are billions of people online. All sorts of people are online. People in different countries, people in different locations, people with different interests are online. So there's a whole lot of people. And if you are a marketer, which I am, I transitioned into, maybe I should say, maybe at the point I'll share that story. I transitioned into a marketer, but actually I went to school to do computer science. I did computer science at Victoria University. And I transitioned into a marketer. So there are billions of people. And if you want to let people know about something, you go where the crowds are. And digitally speaking, or in the digital world, the crowds are on social media. So when you position yourself there, or you position your brand there, then you are doing well, because your mission of being known, or your mission of your product being known, happens much easier on social media. So it's very powerful. But this power that social media has, it does work for the good. It also does work for the negative. Like if somebody does something that is wrong, something that's going to destroy their image, something that's going to destroy their brand, then it's also going to be so loud, because it's happening on a popular platform. Then the other power that it has is that it connects people. It helps you to build relationships and share ideas. So like I was sharing a story that I managed to connect with the guy who was in the US, it's called, in the UK, called Ralph. We built a relationship. At a point, he traveled to Zimbabwe. We had conferences together. We have a relationship, if I would say, and it came through the social media. And while we are saying that social media can help you to develop relationships, I should balance it off by saying there are also predators online. Not everybody who is online is a good person, just like not everybody in the streets is a good person. So you don't want to open your life, you don't want to open your life up to everybody who comes through social media, because things can really go bad. A few days ago, I heard a story of a lady who got into a relationship with a guy who was in another country on social media. They connected, they had a relationship, they shared WhatsApp numbers, they finally met. And after maybe about 6 months or so, then they were in a relationship, like a love relationship. And they went to meet their parents and all that. Then they got married. Unfortunately, after maybe about 5-6 months of marriage, the lady was expecting and all those kind of pressures. And then the guy announced that he's going back to the country that he came from. And it's like he was not ready to take the lady with him and all that. And the relationship got messed up and whatever. And the thing I'm sharing now is, in as much as we build relationships online, that leads to good things in business, good things in life, and advancement of your career. You also want to be very careful with whom you open your life to on social media, because very negative things do happen on the same platform. So that same power of connecting with people and building relationships can also really destroy you if you are not careful and you connect with the wrong person. Then the other power of social media is that you're able to market yourself. What social media does, or what digital platforms do, is that they put everybody on the same level. There's the same Facebook we are using is the same Facebook that Elon Musk is using. It's the same Twitter or X that Elon Musk is using. It's the same LinkedIn that all these powerful people are using. The same platform that your small business is using is the same one that these big businesses across the African continent are also using. So it kind of put us on the same level. So if you are not able to use social media to advantage, it's not that you have been, a privilege has been taken away from you. It's only that you don't have the skills and the knowledge on how to use it to advantage, and which is why we are here and we are learning for that. So you use it to market yourself. You use it to also market your business, so that you can grow, you can develop, you can reach further. And just by the way, probably I may not get a chance to say it again. One of the rules of social media for those who are in business is that you want to create the best impression of yourself on social media, of your business, of your products, and of what you do. And you want to do this so that whatever is seen on social media about you or your brand should not be demeaning, should not be bringing you down or low, but should really be giving a very fair and a very good impression of what you do, so that what people interact with and see online should give them strong confidence to go further with you. So these are the three things that I'll share about the power of social media. And I guess I've balanced between the positive in the network and the negative within that space.